Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just got home, coming from work. Already 2 minutes to 3 o'clock. Today I'm now preparing my lunch, my meal. And I will be using this mixed vegetable. Let's open this. So as you can see, this is raining. Not much, but continuous little rain. Oh, I have this rice. I keep it in the chiller. Actually, I'm just going to get some and microwave it. Just put it all. Too much, I put too much. But it's okay. Not a problem. Just half of it. But later, it's not yet cooked the vegetable. Okay, this is my lunch. It is already 3:40, 35. Yeah, 35. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it is already 3 o'clock exactly. Today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish 2 o'clock. Yeah, very busy. Actually, there was a rain this morning and now it looks like it is going to rain. The temperature is not too bad. Yeah, I just put my undershirt in the washing machine. That's why I'm like this. And this one, I cook it from the fridge. Yeah, I cooked it 2 days ago. Until now, it's still good. And then this one, the vegetable curry with prawns. I'm going to reheat it. Okay, this is my lunch. It is now already 9:40. And I'm preparing my dinner. I'm going to make a soup. If you remember, I still have this frozen prawns. I will use it now. Look how messy it is here. So this is the vegetable with prawn curry. Yeah, I need to wash this. And this is the one that I just cooked, the sinigang. And then the rest. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now exactly 7 o'clock and I'm going to have my breakfast with hot chocolate. This coffee mug should be in the bun, but yeah, I forgot to bring it there. It is now already 9:40 and yeah, I'm preparing my breakfast. No, actually I just microwave it and it's ready. Yeah, this one, the one that I cooked last night. And this is actually the last rice. I just finished it. Now it's empty. It is now almost 5 o'clock. And yeah, we are going out. We're going to browse for yeah, some gift ideas. Yeah, outside I noticed that there is a smoke. And then I check and I noticed that the fire is actually coming from the back. Yeah, the smoke is coming from the at the back, and it is actually very windy outside, so I was a little bit worried. But yeah, there is actually the guy who is doing the taking care of the fire. Maybe he's doing some garbage burning something, or you know. So yeah, just stop here because a long time that I have never been here. Yeah, my dashcam. If you are interested with my dashcam, yeah, it's good. Basically, whenever I switch off the engine, it is going to record the time lapse. Or if I switch on the engine, it will yeah, record naturally, normally. I don't think there is much to see in here. Yeah, so basically this is just like that, a wetland. There is a duck over there, or not a duck but ibis, and this is a wetland. A little bit scary, looks like maybe there's a snake, or there are people there, they are relaxing and they are looking at me at the moment. This normally doesn't have water, just wet. But yeah, because of the previous, the rain in the previous days, yeah, it is having a water this time. There's one beautiful water and beautiful flower on that side. Oh, and look at this tree. I don't know which kind of tree is this, but yeah, if you notice, there is this a lot of kind of line, like it is written something. Yeah, amazing. Look at that. As in all of, yeah, the whole tree is actually covered of those kind of writing. It is made by insect probably, or ants, or maybe this insect, I'm not sure. Yeah, as in, look at that. Even that area around it, actually. Yeah, very nice. I don't know the name of the tree, maybe it's gum tree, I'm not sure. There is actually some more here, but it's smaller, and yeah, the same with this kind of lines, kind of art actually. You know, sometimes there is a snake in this something like this. Maybe that is a snake. Yeah, it's scary, can't imagine. Okay, we're going to leave this place. Yeah, we go. And you know, on the other side, yeah, it's a big empty place. I hope this one I don't know, maybe in the future they're going to make it like a park, but probably not a residential area. Let's wait for this bus to go through first. If you can see the fence on the side road, yeah, the barrier. So basically the purpose is to prevent the koalas to get out here in the road. We are now here in Bunnings. I didn't see anything that I really like. I actually end up buying this at BCF. I will show it to you once I am using it. We are now here in Nelson Bay. There's no vacant space at the front of Woolworths. That's why I park on the other side. I'm going to buy something frozen that is ready to eat when defrosted. And I'm going to buy this cheap meatball. Yeah, this is just $5.70. Compared to the others, they are $12. This one has 6 pieces inside. The others, they are $9, $12, and contain just 4 pieces. I'm going to buy this jasmine rice, $14. And these are the things that I bought. Total is about $30. I actually want to eat in the restaurants, but when I was driving, I saw most of the restaurant that I want to eat. Yeah, a lot of people busy. Sure. Yeah, if you want to try this dashcam, it's good. It is going to record the time lapse while the engine is switched off. So I am going to unbox this thing that I bought from BCF. Yeah, this is the one. This is Wanderer 12 volts portable food warmer. Yeah, I don't know what is its capacity. Basically this is just like this. Yeah, with long cables, where I actually have yeah, this is a 12 volts. Let me find the 12 volts. I thought this one is 12 volts. I realized that this is actually a USB-C. The thread that you are seeing, it means that yeah, it's connected. I have this frozen meat pie, 2 pieces, and let's put it like this, and then we put it inside here. Yeah, it doesn't have any switch on or power button. Just plug it in and it will work. The time now is 7:37, and that meat pie is actually frozen. Let's see how long, yeah, to cook that one. Yeah, I can feel the warm, but it's not hot. It is now 8:07. It's exactly 30 minutes. Let's open this. It's still frozen and cold. Yeah, this one is hot, as in you're going to burn your finger. Let's put it here directly. And we wait again for another 30 minutes. And it is now 8:38, so it means 1 hour ago already since I put the meat pie. So let's check. Oh, it is actually defrosted now. Let's continue for another 30 minutes. 2 hours maybe. And it is now 9:06. Yeah, 1 minute to be, yeah, 1 hour and a half for this yeah, heater warmer. Let's check it again. Actually, it's hot now. It's actually hot all the way through. It is actually mentioned here in the manual that it is not suitable for raw or frozen food. This one is frozen food, so